Hello and welcome to Prudent Media. Top stories this hour. Jaiprakash Jaiswal reaches Goa, reviews security with top state authorities, says Goa is absolutely safe. One suspected terrorist arrested by Navy in Vasco, search for his two companions still on. Xmas wishes from Archbishop and CM to the people of Goa. And Xmas celebrations begin in the state. Now the news in detail. Minister of State of Home Secretary Jaiprakash Jaiswal has landed in Goa to review the security arrangements made in the state. He had meeting with CM, Home Minister and senior police officials at police headquarters in Panji.
अगर हमारी कंट्री में मुंबई में इस तरीके की इंसिडेंट्स हुई हैं और यहाँ पर हमारी गवर्नमेंट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट प्रिकॉशंस ले रही है तो इसमें पैनिक क्रिएट करने जैसी कोई बात नहीं है और न ही गोवा के लोगों को ये सोचना चाहिए कि किसी तरीके का पैनिक या किसी तरीके का थ्रेट गोवा में है। लेकिन हम प्रिकॉशन लेंगे। हम केवल गोवा में ही प्रिकॉशन नहीं ले रहे हैं, हम देश के कोने कोने में प्रिकॉशन ले रहे हैं। गोवा के लोगों को मैं ये संदेश देना चाहता हूँ कि वो पूरी तरह सुरक्षित हैं और पूरी तरह निश्चिंत रहें। किसी तरह की कोई थ्रेट गोवा के लिए नहीं है। लेकिन जिस तरह की इंसिडेंट्स देश में हुई हैं, खासतौर से मुंबई में हुई है, हम चाहते हैं कि पूरे देश में और ख़ास तौर से ऐसे हिस्सों में जैसे गोवा है, न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशंस यहाँ पर सबसे बड़े पैमाने पर होता है। हज़ारों की तादाद में टूरिस्ट आते हैं, देश के भी आते हैं, विदेश के भी आते हैं। यहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रा सिक्योरिटी रहनी चाहिए, अलर्ट रहना चाहिए, पुलिस को भी, सिक्योरिटी बलों को भी। इस करके ही हमने पांच कंपनी पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स की यहाँ भेजी है, RAF भी भेजी है। हमारी कोशिश है कि गोवा में पूरी तरह पीस रहे। हम देश के कोने कोने में लोगों को ये आश्वस्त करना चाहते हैं, दुनिया के सारे देशों में आश्वस्त करना चाहते हैं, गोवा के लोगों को आश्वस्त करना चाहते हैं कि वो लोग जितनी तादाद में चाहें एज पर रूल गोवा में आकर न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन करें। पूरी तरह सुरक्षित हैं, हम उन्हें पूरी सुरक्षा देंगे और किसी तरह की थ्रेट गोवा के लिए नहीं है। ये कहना कि पैनिक क्रिएट की जा रही है, ये उचित नहीं है। हम प्रिकॉशंस पूरे ले रहे हैं, प्रिकॉशन में हम एक कदम भी पीछे नहीं रहेंगे।
Indian Navy has handed over one person in Vasco to Goa police on a suspicion of being a terrorist. Police, however, are still not confirming anything. The suspect is being interrogated after he was shifted to Panji. Nakabandi has also started all over the state as two more companions of the suspect have run away.
Superintendent of Police of Special Cell Atmaram Deshpande has only confirmed that one person has been arrested in Vasco under suspicion. He claimed to be an Indian national from Assam. The Deshpande refuses to divulge any more. Our sources in police department revealed that he had recently visited Pakistan. Some suspicious documents have also been procured from the person. The arrested suspect has been shifted to Panji for interrogation. All top police officials have maintained utmost secrecy about the arrest. On the other hand, Nakabandi has started all over the state to catch two more suspects accompanying him.
At this particular time, we are not declaring any details in this particular case. We are only confirming arrest of one suspect who was found loitering in a restricted naval area at an undisclosed location.
He was loitering or he was tied and
He was found in an undisclosed naval restricted area. The naval. We will not get into more details in this particular case at this particular moment.
What time it was found?
Something very serious.
No, we are not saying anything. I will not get into the status of whether serious or not. We will not say anything in this case. Interrogation and investigations are on in this case. At this stage, no. Please don't call him a terrorist. At this stage, nothing can be said. So please don't refrain from using this word, please. This is my request. Suspect, yes, suspect. We are calling him a suspect. Don't even call him a terror suspect. I saw some of the media referring to him as a terror suspect. Please don't refer to him as a terror suspect. So only refer as suspect, because
Christmas flavor is in the air. State is ready to have safe and secured Christmas celebrations. Celebrations have already begun in the state. Here are some of the wishes from Archbishop, Chief Minister Jose Philip de Souza and Oscar Rebelo to the people of Goa.
सगळ्या गोंयकार भावाक आनी भयणीक हांव नातालाची आनी नव्या वर्साची म्हज्यो सगळ्यो शुभेच्छा दितां. हें नाताल आनी नवें वर्स बरें खुशालकायेचें वचचें अशें येशू क्रिस्ता कडेन मागतां.
व्हडा संतोशाची खबर हांव तुमकां घेवन आयला. आयज तुमकां एक सोरवोंडार जल्मला, तो क्रिस्त सोमी. 2000 वर्सां फाटीं बोडव्यान गोवळ्यांक परगोट केलेल्या उतरांची गाज तुमकां ह्या नातालांच्या समयार सादची म्हूण म्हजें उतरेक.
हांव ही आतां नातालांची परब, खुशालकायची परब जावपाक एक घरांनी ह्या नातालांची खुशालकाय एक घरान वयची. देवान सगल्या आख्या गोंयच्या भाव भयणांक ही बरी परब करपाक दवरची आनी सगल्या नातालांची खुशालकायची परब.
Well, from my side, I wish Prudent Media all the very best for the new year. Prudent Media, as far as the electronic, the visual media, along with so many other channels, has really brought about a thought revolution in Goa for the present moment, and all power to you to continue to do this in a fair, transparent and just manner.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.